have order.
Osmanthus wine.
Are you a geodetic engineering student who's planning to take on the board exam? And do you also happen to enjoy playing Genshin Impact? Boy, do I have the perfect reviewer just for you. Do you know that thousands of aspiring engineering students struggle to find an updated, reliable, and interactive material for reviewing? That's why we introduce to you GeoEdge, your companion in your journey to passing the Geodetic Engineering Board exam. A fast, smart, and focused reviewer web app made by our group for the future of geodetic engineers. You've been spending hours searching across the web for reviewers. All of that can be very time consuming, and many reviewers don't actually provide the pressure or the logic of the actual board exam. So we thought, what if there was a smarter way to study? Something that's way more convenient, a new step into the future. Our vision? To create the digital reviewer that's not only interactive, customizable, and board exam focused, but also accessible 24/7. Upon running the app, you can ask geo related questions, and it answers almost instantaneously. You can take multiple questions at a time using our quiz feature, and you'll also get an instant feedback, detailed explanations, and track your performance over time. If you don't know how to install or run the code locally, let me give you a quick tutorial. First up, open the PowerShell and run as an administrator. Now run this command: send execution policy remote signed scope local machine. Extract the project zip file. And now open VS Code and select the folder or the file. Finally, you can run this on your terminal and you're good to go.
What you are seeing here in the screen is all our code. We have evaluate score. Evaluates a score by getting the percentage of the user in the quiz submitted, then compares which category should fall upon, where 70% is excellent, 50% is good, and anything. Next is the get chat response. This function takes the arguments or a string, calls the AI API, then turns a type string response of the AI chatbot. This function is also responsible for storing the chat logs in an array where chat history and thus will load the chat logs and store user response. Next is generate question. Generate question store the key value pair where the key value pair is nest, taking another key inside the dictionary as value for value to the first dictionary hierarchy, then stores the second hierarchy to a string array. Next is div class. Chat message bot message is the HTML container for the chat logs and chatbot model, where it's where it is styled in Tailwind CSS and the send button but as the trigger for the JS function call. Next is the upload start quiz. It is responsible for routing and handling user data sent to the Python backend. This listens to the JavaScript call and returning data from the Python files earlier. Next is the upload chat. It is responsible for fetching the data.
Here is a quick demonstration on how our app works. Use the quiz to unlock the quiz feature, and you can ask questions also in the AI chat box. So that concludes our presentation. Thank you for watching. Bye.